Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Kanika. If you are here for the first time, hi, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are going to do a makeup look, a full face of makeup using products under 500 only. So I did a poll on Instagram and I asked you guys if you want to see a makeup look using products under 500 or if you want to see a makeup look using high-end products, and most of you were interested in having a tutorial or a makeup look created using products under 500. So here I am. So we have come up with this look. This is very cute pinkish sort of a look. So this was a very first time I am doing any such kind of a video like this challenge sort of a video. This has been done earlier by many YouTubers and beauty bloggers. I like, you must be aware that many of them have done this, so this is nothing new, but I wanted to do it and I wanted to do my version of it. So this was actually really surprising to find products which are good enough and are under rupees 500. So it was really a challenge for me to dig out certain products under this range. So finally I managed to do that and I managed to create this look. If you want to know how you can get this look using products which are under 500 rupees, then keep on watching. But before that, please make sure you are clicking on that subscribe button and you like this video. It means a lot to me. Please support. I need support from you guys. So do click on that subscribe button and like this video and share it with your friends. So now enough of blabbering and let's go straight on the video. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and a mini challenge, and I hope I have like I've been successful in doing that challenge. There are two things which I would like to point that out, which I figured out during my research for these products. One is this Focallure Beauty eyeshadow palettes. I am amazed to see their pigmentation. Although I'm not very much happy with the light shades. These are very light, and we have only one dark matte shade. All of them are shimmers, but the pigmentation is really good, and they have like more palettes, more variety, so I would definitely like to try that out. At a price range it is coming for like it's around 300 or something. The quality is really good, and I would definitely like to try out their other palettes. And if you are looking for like a budget friendly palette, you should check out their page. Let me tell you guys, this is not sponsored at all. I use that product in front of you, and it was the first time I'm using it, and I'm actually happy with the product, its quality, and the eyeshadows were really blendable, and they got blended really easily, so I'm very happy with the quality of that. So you can definitely check this brand out. It's a new brand launched. And the other thing which I want to talk about are these lashes. I bought these from Amazon. I would link that down below. This was like 180, and I got like 2 of such packs in 180 rupees, and my god, it is like it's good at the price they are coming for. The one I am wearing, I'm wearing it for the 3rd time, so you can reapply them as well. And like in 180 rupees you're getting like how many pairs? 10 pairs of lashes in 180 rupees, and the quality is not that bad. And this particular brand has a more type of lashes as well, so I am definitely going to order some for me, and I would link that down for you guys, so that you can check that out and see if that works for you as well. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this challenge, and I hope you like this look and the products I have shown you guys. So if yes, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.